In this video, I will be teaching you how to make Janitor AI faster. You can boost performance in minutes. So to do that, first of all, what I suggest is check your internet connection. Simply head over to your search bar and search in there for Wi-Fi. Make sure that your Wi-Fi is working according to its usual performance. Head over to your settings and everything. You can see the properties. We have the 5G connection and everything. And yeah, so this should be working perfectly fine. The second thing that should be doing is try a different browser. So in my case, Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge works perfectly fine. But if not for you, you can use Firefox. I'm sorry, not Firefox, but you can use Opera GX. That is also an amazing platform, so you can try that out. And these are some of the two powerful tips that you can use. Or if you are in a region where the app is not supported that nicely, you can simply opt for an VPN as well. So you can see I got VPN as well just in case. So Urban VPN works the fastest, and it is also free in many regions. So I hope this helps. Thanks so much for watching. Stay tuned and see you in the next video.